everyone, welcome back to Rihana's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I am going to share Chatti Pathiri with Tortillas. Chatti Pathiri is a delicious Malabar layered dish often described as savory or sweet crepe lasagna. Traditionally made with thin homemade crepes, it's laid with a spice filling and cooked to perfection. To make things easier, we are using tortillas. Heat a saucepan and you can add onion 1 chopped, and you can add little salt that will speed up the process. Saute until onion becomes translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and give it a mix. You can add tomato chopped and mix it well and cover and cook until the tomato becomes soft and mushy. You can add some chopped curry leaves and green chilies too chopped. Mix it well. Now you can add the masalas, which is paprika powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, garam masala 1/2 teaspoon, coriander powder 1/2 teaspoon, fennel seed powder 1/2 teaspoon, and black pepper powder 1/2 teaspoon, and mix it well. Now you can add the shredded chicken 2 cups and mix it well until everything comes together. Finally, you can garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and turn off the heat and let it cool for some time. In a bowl, you can add 3 eggs, add little pepper powder and just little salt, and you can add 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it well. For this recipe, we are using the tortillas instead of homemade crepes. Heat a pan. You can grease with a little oil. Dip a tortilla in the beaten eggs and you can place it in a greased pan. Add a layer of prepared filling and you can repeat this process until you get a stack of 5 or 6 layers. Finally, you can pour the remaining eggs over the top and you can sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Cover and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. By using another pan, you can flip carefully and cook the other side for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Once it's done, you can transfer to a plate. Let it cool down for some time before you slice. Chatti Pathiri is ready to serve now. You can slice and enjoy. Chatti Pathiri is basically layered pastry or crepes made in the Malabar region of Kerala. It is made in both sweet and savory variations. The dish is very similar to lasagna in concept, but instead of pasta, pastry sheets or crepes are used. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another exciting video. Bye. Take care.